allow me to be blunt. When you look at a balance sheet, when you're analyzing your stocks, because you're an expert stock picker, you're Warren Buffett, you have no idea what those numbers and what those accounts actually mean. I can 100% guarantee you have no idea what you're looking at when you look at a company's balance sheet. Welcome back to Strongman Personal Finance. I'm announcing my upcoming seminar at 9:30 a.m. Eastern this upcoming Saturday, New Year's Eve. What we're going to do is I'm going to break down and tear apart every minute detail of the balance sheet for any company that I can fit in to an hour-long presentation. Because if you actually want to analyze individual stocks, if that's your hobby, if index funds are boring and you don't have time for them, okay, you need to understand what you're actually looking at. Because if you don't understand how to read a balance sheet, if you don't understand what land improvements, building, equipment, accumulated depreciation, goodwill, intangible assets, if you don't know what those mean and how those are put on the balance sheet and what are some of the fundamental underpinnings behind accounting, you're going to lose your freaking money investing in stocks every single time. I have identified hundreds of stocks, well, not hundreds, dozens of stocks that are absolutely clownish jokes by simply looking at the financial statements and the balance sheet. So in this seminar, you're going to learn every single account, every single one, how they get on there, how they change over time, what every account means. Because I know you don't know what retained earnings is. I know you don't know what accumulated other comprehensive income is. I know you don't know what treasury stock is. Okay, you have no idea. It's okay. It's okay to not know everything about accounting. I'm going to try to fix that. You're not going to be a CPA by the time the seminar is over, but you'll at least know what you're looking at. So here's the details of this upcoming seminar. This is called the Balance Sheet Mastery Seminar. Who is going to be presenting it? Oh, you're looking at him. I don't know if you guys knew this. I'm a certified public accountant. That's right. I know Jeremy used to be a gas station manager, and that's more impressive. That means he must know what he's talking about because he's got more money, right? Well, I'm a certified public accountant, and I'm a certified government financial manager, which doesn't really apply to this, but, it's nice to fluff up your resume. I will be presenting this Balance Sheet Mastery Seminar next Saturday. What is this? What are we going to do? Well, I just summarized it. We're going to do a deep dive into every account on the balance sheet. You need to know what you're looking at, okay? Because when you're looking at a balance sheet, there are a lot of things that are going on under the surface that you might not understand, okay? You might not understand that when you purchase property, plant, and equipment, it goes on there at cost and it gets depreciated over its useful life, and the actual fair value of that asset might not be what's presented on the balance sheet. You might not know that. You need to know. You need to know the fundamental underpinnings that go into the presentation of the balance sheet. Because if you don't, you're going to get destroyed as an investor, as a retail investor, okay? You're going to get 1 hour of learning. I'm going to present as much as I can for just the balance sheet. I don't want to spread this out, okay? I want to focus on the balance sheet. And you're going to get 30 minutes of Q&A. We're all going to meet in Google Meet. We're all going to come together, 9:30 a.m. Eastern. I'm going to present this for an hour. You're going to shut up. You're going to listen to my presentation without interruptions. And then for the last 30 minutes, you get to talk to Strongman Personal Finance. Ask them any questions you want. You can ask me about my underwear. You can ask me about whatever. You got me for 30 minutes. Hopefully you ask me about the presentation, but you do you, okay? When you pay for this, which you will have access to the presentation and recording for life after attending. That's right. You pay up once for this presentation, you get access for life. Yes. Maybe the recording will be corrupted. Okay, I can't help that. But if the recording is not corrupted, which I'm pretty sure it won't be, you can always watch the recording. And worst case, you're going to have the presentation. I'm going to have a nice, beautiful PowerPoint for you that I'm going to use for my presentation material. You're going to have that forever. What is the cost? Okay, I know you guys paid 20 grand to Jeremy Lefebvre. Okay, I know you did, and that's fine. Okay, I mean, obviously he's richer than me, but me, I'm gonna charge you $50 to attend. That's $50 per household. So if you and your wife want to watch, you and your husband, whatever. If you want to watch it together and you want to have your kids there too, you can all sit there and watch it and the same computer. It's $50 for the whole family. One person, two people, whatever, okay? But I'm not going to charge $50 for total for you, your grandma, and everybody, spread out everywhere. $50 per household. And if you ever paid Jeremy Lefebvre money, because I know you gave him a lot of money, okay? If you ever gave him money, if you ever paid for one of his courses, I'm going to give you a Lefebvre discount. It used to be 50% off, but I'm a grifter, and I want only $10 off for this one. So it's $50 normal, and $40 if you ever paid Jeremy Lefebvre, okay? When is this going to happen? Well, like I said, you can access this forever after it's done. Even if you miss it, you'll still get the presentation and the recording if it doesn't get corrupted. This seminar will be this upcoming Saturday, 9:30 a.m. to 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on 31 December 2022. Keywords, Eastern Standard Time, okay? I will be live at that point. No other time will I be live, okay? So if you're in Europa, well, guess what? You need to adjust your time zone and figure out when 9:30 a.m. Eastern is to be able to attend. If you're in California, you may need to get up early there, bucko, okay? You need to know Eastern Standard Time. When is payment due? You better pay me no later than Friday, 30 December 2022. And I will be taking attendance, okay? I will be tracking you. If you don't pay me, I'm going to know. Where? It's going to be a Google Meet. When you pay, I'm going to send you a Google Meet link. You'll probably get it Thursday or Friday. You will receive a link. You don't have to download anything. You just click the link. Click it. Click. And that brings you into the presentation. And I will let you in, assuming you've paid, which you won't get the link unless you have paid. Okay? Why? Why are you going to do this? Why are you going to pay me $50? I know this is such a scam. Go pay Jeremy 50 grand. Go buy Kevin's course. Whatever you want to do. You're going to pay me $50 because you have no idea what you're looking at. I can guarantee, unless you have an accounting background, you don't really understand the balance sheet. You might not know that you don't know what you're looking at, okay? Where are you going to pay me? Well, I'm going to attach this sheet. I'm going to attach this to put this in the description of the video, and I'm going to pin the comment. You're going to pay me here. You're going to send me money, $50, no later than Friday, 30 December 2022. I will then send you a link, and when the time comes around, 9:30 a.m. Saturday, you're going to click that link, and you're going to listen to my presentation, and you'll get the PowerPoint and the recording, okay? Welcome to the Balance Sheet Mastery Seminar. If you want to actually pick individual stocks, and I'm not saying you're going to 10x by doing this, I'm just going to teach you the balance sheet. And in another seminar, maybe I'll do the income statement or the statement of cash flows. But you will actually learn from a licensed professional how to read the balance sheet. I hope to see you this Saturday. Don't forget to pay me, and I'll talk to you soon. Cheers!